Good morning, good afternoon, family. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates on SPY and any other stocks you would like. Let's take a quick look how one of the market key parameters, the SPY SP500 ticker, performed today. Today, SPY traded modestly lower, closing around 678.86 after going up at a high today and then dropped back down. I went around a high around that 680, 681, and then we did a big drop back down, slipping roughly 0.27% on the day. And after hours trading, it remains slightly weaker. The mild downtick reflects a bit of caution among investors after recent mixed economic cues. Let's look at the technicals. From a technical perspective, SPY broader indicators painted a nuisance picture. Some daily signals point to a short-term selling pressure, while longer-term moving averages still suggest underlying strength. For example, SPY 200-day moving average is still a buy indicator. Even if it's a shorter, moving averages look less favorable, reflecting near-term consolidation rather than a full reversal. So that again, this is still a buy. We're still in an uptrend. Right now, this is a buying opportunity. Let's buy out for those. So now let's look into a couple market drivers. Several factors are influencing sentiment today. The U.S. equity futures have been softer amid economic uncertainty, anticipated job data, and broader equity benchmarks, including the S&P 500, has shown mixed performance. This reflects rotation within the sectors as investors weigh growth-oriented tech stocks against more defensive or value sectors. We have a lot of people jumping out right now. They're moving out. A lot of people are moving out of tech names and they're moving into health, defensive sectors, and so on. You can sit and wait and stick around. Who knows how the market is going to go? Tomorrow we can be back up or we'll continue to go back down. Let's wait. Now, what does that mean? So what does that mean for SPY? Today performance is not dramatic, but it does suggest that the broad market is digesting recent highs and looking for fresh catalysts, with major sectors showing varied strength and weakness. SPY is exhibiting the kind of range bound actions we often see when markets pause before a larger move. So what we're looking ahead for? We're looking ahead to keep an eye on the upcoming economic data and earning reports. These can shift in risk the appetite for all that's out here. So let's keep our eyes open for that. That's the latest on the SPY performance for today. Thank you for listening and subscribing. And please check in for more info later on. Have a good day. Take care.